Welcome. If you're looking for a simple way to take a break from Messenger without anyone knowing you're online, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to disable your active status on Messenger for exactly 8 hours. This is perfect if you need some uninterrupted time or just want a little privacy. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open up the Messenger app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to adjust. Once you're in, look towards the bottom right corner and tap on the menu icon. This usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture, depending on your version. Next, scroll down until you find the settings option. Tap on it to open up a list of different settings you can customize. Now, look for the section labeled Active Status. This is where you can control whether people can see if you're online or not. Tap on Active Status. You'll see a switch that shows whether your status is currently on or off. To turn it off, simply toggle the switch to the left. Messenger will then ask you how long you want to pause your active status. Here's where the magic happens. Select the option for 8 hours. This means your friends and contacts won't be able to see when you're active or recently active for the next 8 hours. After you've selected the 8-hour option, tap Pause to confirm your choice. And that's it. You've now disabled your active status on Messenger for 8 hours. You can relax, focus on your tasks, or just enjoy some peace and quiet without any interruptions. When the 8 hours are up, your active status will automatically turn back on, and your friends will be able to see when you're online again. If you ever want to turn your active status off for a different amount of time, just repeat these steps and choose the time that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.